One more time. One more time. Oh.
Stand back.
I need to get this from the front. I need to get this from the front. Oh,
It would have been stressed.
not bad. I need to get this from the front. Ow! That was horrible, Emily.
Distraction. It's pretty good for having two Karens in your face.
Here you go. Continue the video.
Sure. Easy. Did you hear the noise? Hey, listen, what's up? It's a video.
Your third day?
Yeah.
What song? What? Two.
I need the video to go.
Okay.
Together 40 days, show me your glory, get on.
I'm just gonna do this one freehand. No music.
Whoa! Olivia, you're so good. Where do you learn all those sweet moves? Your turn.
At Michigan State University.
Oh, wow. I really want to go there.
Watch this.
Okay, hold on. Ready. Uh-oh. Man, what's with all these gutter balls? That's extra failure. Oh, okay. Okay, for real. Elizabeth, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, that was awesome. What do you have to say for yourself? I'm embarrassed.
Oh, you made me laugh, so.
I'm sorry.
Picture of the tree. Say cheese.
Okay, this is the end of the video.